Our experience has been really good with Millennium from a cost-benefit analysis. I think we're going to see that where we spent X number of dollars to come to this event, you're effectively going to see that we would spend 3 to 4 times that amount actually going out to visit these executives, making appointments, traveling around the country. So for us, it's a really good cost benefit. So we've already signed up for next year, so we should be good.
It's been incredible working with the Millennium team. First, the show is extremely well organized, a lot of support staff, and the quality of delegates has been outstanding. This is a pipeline's dream, actually. These delegates are the individuals that are responsible for making the world move and have the budget to invest. They're here at this show. The ROI is pretty much instant. Coming out with sales qualified leads is something that a lot of companies strive for and they invest heavily in with SDRs and business development reps and AEs. You can come to the show and get direct access to a captive audience. It's pretty incredible. I'd say the ROI is a New York minute.
The experience with Millennium Alliance has been incredibly positive. We saw very early on that the quality of the attendee, it's a decision maker, this person is coming to the table with challenges that they've been very transparent about. And so for us to be able to come in and actually be sort of diagnostic and collaborative was incredibly high value for us.
We've done a lot of trade shows this year at OneRail, lots of trade shows, right? And what I love about this event is it's highly curated. The Millennium team marshals the attendees to the table. We don't have to go looking for them when there's no coordination by us. But what's cool is it's fed right into our calendar that the team provides. We just show up at that scheduled time, the Millennium team does the rest, so it was really efficient from that standpoint. We've got a number of good follow-ups. What I love too is with the Millennium team, you're going to work with us to help schedule those future calls and follow-up. So couldn't ask for a better situation there.
Certainly for me as a marketer, the titles and the backgrounds are a great match. We've been able to connect with folks that fit our ideal customer profile, and within those meetings we've been able to have in-depth conversations that will directly correlate to our pipeline. So the biggest takeaway for coming to a conference that's smaller like the Millennium Alliance is the quality of folks and connections that you can make at these conferences. I've been attending large-scale trade shows for the majority of my career, and I find that you don't get that opportunity to sit down and connect with folks like you do in an environment that the Millennium Alliance provides.
Overall, the experience has been fantastic. One of the main reasons we're here is to obviously help us establish pipeline. I think there's something pretty interesting here the way Millennium has structured it. It's a great opportunity and one that we definitely want to participate in the future.
Keep on moving on.